This is Naomi's new game, Undercover Mouse. It's this little motorized thing that spins this little guy around on its own. And this is Naomi's new toy. This is our first time playing with it. I think she likes it. Get it, Nay. It moves the little mouse thing at random, although it's under the... Oh, there it is. There you go, Nay. Get it. And it can go faster. I have it on the slow speed so she gets used to it. Good girl, Nay.